Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change default apps on Lenovo Legion Go. To do this, we'll need to click on the Start, move to the Settings, enter Apps, Default Apps. Here you can find the file type that you want to change the default apps for. So in this case we can go for something like rare, or rare could be fine, and click on the app itself and choose whichever one you like. Alternatively, we can go for search apps. For example, let's go for the Edge browser. You can go for Chrome in this example because we'll be changing the default browser. And here we have it, and we can set our app as a default for most of the file types. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.